Hello, my name is Sheila Holiday. I'm going to go through Enhancement 5. Sorry, our family's been sick and I still have a residual cold. I'm opening up the new vehicles controller that we made before. So I have, just going to go through what I have first. You can see that I've changed all the filters and did all of that. We're going to open it in the browser. Let's check the validation. That's good. CSS should be good because I didn't have to change anything this time. I was just doing stuff to the HTML. Okay, so we'll do add classification. Right now, I could add that I want red. But before I add red, I hit submit. And then no validate. Sorry. There we go. Sorry. Then this thing pops up that it's not filled out. Then we're going to do red. And it does it. And red's here. And it shows up in here because I've already had to delete them out from the last time. So then when we add a vehicle, I'll go back to that in a minute. The only thing that doesn't stick on this page right now is this list, but I think that is the following week. So if I put in Honda and hit submit, it's going to tell me I didn't fill this out, but it kept Honda there. And it does that as I go down. So the next Accord, it's a super cool car. Again, submit. As you can see at the top here, super cool was saved. Everything else above it's saved. But it's telling me with that little note that came up that I need this. So we do this. Again, it sticks. 1 hour sticks. 1 in stock. And then the color red. Submit. It should have. Did I get it all? Oh, let's go right here. I don't know. It was working last night. Did I check? Sorry, I am substituting. You're hearing the bell. Yeah, there is no. So with that, okay. And then I don't think I checked the validation on this one. CSS should be good. And HTML should be good. So all those are good. I think that's all I needed to do in the video because you can see as you go through my files that I have created the new functions. My nav list is here and it is in every single one of my controllers as well. I went through and put it in all three. So all three of my controllers have a new line that looks just like this. So I believe that's all that I'm needing to do today for this. And it is put up in my GitHub, but I'm still having trouble with you viewing my GitHub, so I'm going to work on that. So thank you.